Google just launched a brand new feature for restaurants, and if you use it right, it could drive way more customers straight to your door. This feature is called What's Happening, and in this video, I'll show you how it works and how to get your restaurant featured. I'm Alex from 1AM Marketing. I help restaurant owners grow using smart, simple marketing strategies that actually work. If you want more traffic, more reservations, and more revenue, hit subscribe. I release a new video every single week. So, what is this? Google has added a brand new section on top of your Google business profile called What's Happening. This section highlights timely updates that are going on at your restaurant. Things like daily specials, events like live music or happy hour, promotions, maybe seasonal menus. It shows up above reviews and photos, meaning it's one of the first things that customers will see when they're doing a search for you. Right now, this feature is only available for single location food and drink businesses in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Here's how you can use it. You can either post updates through Google Posts manually inside your Google Business dashboard, or you can connect your Facebook, Instagram, or X accounts to your Google Business profile so Google can auto-sync those updates. Here's a pro tip. Even just posting a daily special like half-price wings tonight will help you show up in that space and drive impulse visits. Now, here are some examples of posts that you could do in the new What's Happening feature. You could post things like free dessert with entree this week, karaoke Friday at 9 p.m., try our new summer menu, happy hour from 4 to 6 daily. Try to keep it short, visual, and current. This feature isn't for generic promotions, it's for timely updates, things that are happening right now. Now, why does any of this matter? This is free, high visibility real estate on Google. It's your chance to win the first impression of someone who's trying to search for something to eat or drink on Google. Restaurants that post consistently will have a big edge here, and this update makes it even more important to stay active on your profile. So start posting right now. Even a simple special or event can get you highlighted in the What's Happening spotlight. And if you want help in making the most of your Google presence, check out my other video about Google Business Profile Optimization. I'll link it right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment another feature that you'd like me to break down for you. Thanks.